Hey everyone, I'm Volha. If you're using Notion, here are 5 useful features you might not know, and they can save you time every day. 1. Add reminders anywhere. Just type reminder then choose a date and time. Notion will send you a notification, super helpful for tasks inside Notes. 2. Quick dates with today. Type today or tomorrow or any date, and Notion links it automatically. It works in databases too. 3. Links to specific blocks. For example, right-click any block and click Copy link to block. Now you can link to that exact block from anywhere. Super useful for referencing tasks, notes, or sections in big pages. Four. Templates inside databases. Click the arrow next to New in any database. Plus New template. Change this page as you wish. Next time, just click your template. Done in one click. You can set as default for all views in a table. 5. Move blocks like a pro. Use Ctrl-Shift up or down or Command on Mac to move blocks fast. Which trick was new for you? Let me know in the comments. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. I honestly get so happy when someone subscribes or leaves a like. Thank you so much. It really means a lot to me. Bye!